Hello, I'm Vashti Hardy, the author of the Moonlight Mystery Agency series with the lovely Barrington Stoke. And I'm going to give you a few tips for reading with your young ones at home, things that I used to always do with my children that might help you too, if you're looking for ways to make it more interesting. We used to always make a story tent, so you can get an old sheet or something like that, or you might have a teepee type of thing that your kids have already got, and make it your special story place. Make it cozy, put in nice comfy rugs or cushions or throws and things. Put some fairy lights in it. Also, like, I love snacks at story time. Having like a cozy hot chocolate or, warm milk or something and a few snacks always makes it kind of feel a little bit more special as well. And what I used to do with my children as well is we would invite their teddies and dolls and things along to story time as well. So you can set them up. And what that does for you then, it makes your children kind of feel like they've got an audience. So if they want to read some of the words along with you and take part in that way, then they can feel like they're reading to an audience as well. And it just makes it really special for them. Also, if you're a parent with dyslexia, it can be a real barrier to pick up a book and read to your children. So that's why the Barrington Stoke books especially are so great for parents as well. We think of like them being for the children with dyslexia, obviously, but I know for parents too, having a book that's dyslexia friendly, it can open doorways for reading and enjoying books with your children. So do have a look at all the books that Barrington Stoke have got on offer and see what you can find for story time at home. Take care and happy reading.